out the bag. I'm getting married. And okay, I don't know where you guys are, but it's blazing hot in Houston. Don't know where you are, but it's blazing hot in Houston. Y'all, I am excited about how cheap it is to live here. However, right about now, I could use some Cali sunshine, and that's what I'm about to get, and some Cali weather, that is. This week, I'll be going to Los Angeles with my fiance and my 2 bridesmaids to go celebrate like our combined bachelorette party. Y'all, it's gonna be a blast. Whatever we were gonna do, we were gonna do it together, and now that we have all of our friends together, y'all, it's gonna be a blast and a half. I honestly think it's gonna kind of get crazy because everybody is so different. But yeah, long story short, we're doing a combined bachelorette. But on my way to that, and probably one of the days while we're there, maybe all of the days while we're there, I want to wear my Western hat because, y'all, I know I told you I lived in Cali for a while. I'm from Texas. I will always be a Texas girly. And yeah, so I wanted to wear my Western hat with my belle, and today I want to show you how I'm gonna make my hat. I needed to infuse it a little bit with some flowers. I will show the inspiration photo probably right here. That was the inspiration, but I have to do it the Tammy way and add my sunflowers. So once again, hold please. Remember those canvas pieces? We're going back to the canvas pieces, and we're gonna pull my sunflowers off and add them to my hat along with my belle, y'all. Let's see if I can make this great. I think that I can. I'm super excited about it, and I think it's gonna be super stinking cute. So let's get to DIYing, y'all. The bag. I'm getting married, and I'm super excited. Okay, so back to my hat. So you guys, I got my hat from Cavender's. Cavender's is a boot store. I don't know if Cavender's is everywhere, but it's in Houston, of course. And I've had a few of these, like, I want to say they're wicker, I don't know, straw. I've had a few of these kind of hats over the years, but I bought this one specifically to decorate with my flowers, you guys. So I want to put the flower bunch right here. It's going to be sunflowers. Let's take this tag off. I think it should be noted that I definitely bought a medium large because, I'm sorry, a large, extra large, because the noggin is big. It's big. It's very big, and sometimes, you know, I just don't know how it's going to suit me as far as the hair goes. Because when the poof is poofing, the poof is poofing, y'all. Okay, so that's my hat. This is the veil that's gonna go under my hat. Guys, I spent all or nothing for that on Amazon, and my hat was like $20, I believe. $25 from Cavender's. And we got my flowers that I'm still peeling off of. So I think we're gonna go ahead and get all of the sunflower. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. I hope that works out. Okay, we're gonna get all these sunflowers off of here because those are the ones that I want. Not the orange ones, just the yellows. That's how we're gonna start this bad boy off. Heck yes! Ah! More of my flowers. I'm so excited. Sorry. More of these. Especially this guy. Oh my god. Okay. I got all of those. This is going to be so fast, I hope. Da-da. 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 Or should it just be 2? Is 3 excessive? Like, that looks like a lot. Maybe it should just be these 2. So I've decided, thanks to a good friend who clearly thinks things out better than I do, that we're not going to put the veil on the hat, which I think is how it's done on the inspiration photo that I showed. I think I'm just going to put the veil on my hair, so that way, oh no, well, maybe we do need the 3rd one. I can't see. Let's see. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. We don't do that though. Okay, yeah. Yeah, because she was thinking, if I put the veil onto the hat, then it's forever. It has to be worn like that. So yeah, so basically all we're doing that I am aware of is we're going to a concert to see Jill Scott. Hopefully I am able to vlog about that, but I probably will only do it on my phone. Y'all, I do not like carrying my camera around everywhere when my phone does a great job too. It doesn't do as great a job as my camera does, but you know, you guys want to know what I film on and how I film, we can do that on another video. Okay, so that's that. How do we like that? How do we like that? Let's see. How do we like that? Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, so we're gonna definitely have to take my pigtails down so I can see what this is gonna look like, but my hair is not done. Oh, does that need to be there? Or does it need to be there? I have no idea, y'all. See what happens when you start doing stuff by yourself? This is what happens. I think I like the 3rd. Let's see. The 3rd in the veil, the 2 in the veil. Now it's starting to look like an owl to me because I keep looking at it for too long. Or do we just keep going? No, that's not what we want. It's not what anybody wants. Okay. We're going to have to try it on and then I'm going to have to see. Okay. Let's take these pigtails down. So, let's put the little veil on first. And then, actually I'm going to tuck that away. It's on over the veil. I'm so glad I got this large hat for my large head. Okay, so I really hope that I get this video up before I leave to go on my little trip to Los Angeles, because I really want to know the honest truth. Like, should I add the 3rd flower, or is it Gucci with just the 2? Like, am I being excessive? Because I'm already being excessive. But I love this. Y'all, okay, let's bring the camera down so you can see. I love it. Yes. Give it Bachelorette. Yes. 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 I'm sorry. But the sunflowers have the sunflower for me. Like, a little piece of me wants to go get some real sunflowers and stick them on my hat. But I don't need the flight attendants judging me on the flight going in, because I'm probably going to have my hat on. Hunty. I'm sure you will see some of the ridiculousness that I will be doing once I get to Los Angeles. I'm excited for the cool weather. I looked at the temperatures. They're like hitting high 70s, maybe. Right now we're in the hundreds in Houston, plus humidity. And the fact that I'm still hot, I'm still hot. With my AC on, y'all, I ain't burning up. But we will make it. Once I stop filming, I will cool off. Really ecstatic. I'm getting to the point where I'm like thrilled about the wedding planning. There's a lot of hurdles we're going through right now, but the Lord always makes a way. And I know it's going to turn out to be a beautiful and wonderful experience, y'all. So I will see you all later. And hey, Sunrays, thanks for 300 plus now subbies. We're going to the top, y'all. Come with me. See you on the next video. Bye. Should we do outfit deets? Y'all, I got this cute little skirt and my sports bra, which you need to see the back, from Fabletics. I will be sure to link it all below. Anyway, we out. It's hot and I gotta put this hair back up. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh, Lord. Let me just come in really quickly and say I wanted to turn the air off so that I could shoot this video without the noise in the background. There is no way. That's all I got. That is it. So I'm sorry for the noise. Sorry, not sorry. Next time, maybe I'll shoot in the morning where I can actually turn my AC off. And yeah, we'll see you next time.